Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to recover your Hootsuite account login. Losing access can be frustrating, but following these steps will help you regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Go to the Hootsuite login page and enter your registered email address. Step 2. Click on the Forgot Your Password link below the password field. Hootsuite will send a password reset email to your registered email address. Step 3. Check your inbox for the password reset email. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Open the email and click on the password reset link. You will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. Step 5. If your Hootsuite account has two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to enter the code from your Authenticator app after resetting your password. Step 6. Once you've reset your password and entered any necessary verification codes, log in to your Hootsuite account as usual. Step 7. If you're still unable to access your account, contact Hootsuite support. Provide details of your account and the issues you're facing so their team can assist you in recovering access safely. Following these steps will help you regain access to your Hootsuite account without losing your data or settings. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.